In today's video, I'm going to teach you Xero Payroll, how to add a regulated super fund and add it to an employee, 5 minutes. Let's get started by signing into Xero. Open Xero in your browser, click Login, enter your email and password, then click Login again to access your account. Once you're in, head to the dashboard so we're all starting from the same place. From the main navigation, choose Payroll. In the Payroll area, click Payroll Settings. This is where you manage your payroll configuration, including superannuation. On the Settings page, select Superannuation. You'll see your existing funds and the option to add new ones. Click Add Superannuation Fund. When prompted, choose Regulated Superannuation Fund. Regulated funds are the standard APRA regulated options most employers use, and they're compatible with SuperStream payments. In the search field, start typing the fund's name exactly as it appears officially. Xero will suggest matches as you type. Pick the correct fund from the list, then click Add to save it. A quick tip: if you can't find the fund, double check the exact spelling or confirm the official name with the employee or the fund's website. Now that the fund is in your organization's list, let's assign it to an employee. Go back to Payroll, then click Employees. Select the employee you want to update to open their profile. In their record, go to the Employment tab, scroll to the Superannuation section, and click Add a Superannuation Membership. Click Select Fund and choose the regulated super fund you just added. Next, enter the employee's member number. This is essential for contributions to allocate correctly to the individual's account. So make sure you have the number from the employee or their most recent fund statement. If they're waiting on a member number, you can add it later, but contributions may not process until it's in place. When everything looks right, click Add to save the membership to the employee's profile. That's it. The fund is now linked to the employee, and Xero will use it automatically in future pay runs. Before you wrap up, consider these quick checks. Confirm the fund is the employee's chosen or default fund, verify the member number format, and ensure the employee's personal details match what the fund has on file. These small verifications help prevent contribution rejections and delays. You've successfully added a regulated super fund and assigned it to an employee in Xero. Save your changes and you're ready for the next pay run. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.